In this short video, I'm going to show you how to configure a shipping provider in Marcello. To do that, we go to the Gateway Providers page. On this page, you can see all the types of providers that are listed, including the shipping providers and the default shipping provider, which is the fixed rate shipping provider. You can create your own shipping providers, as well as any other provider from Marcello. If you would like to see how this is done, the best way to do is go to the source code. If you go for the current fixed rate shipping provider, it's in the legacy location of marcello.core under gateways and shipping fixed rate. You can see how it's done. Moving forward, all other providers will be done or be made and put into the marcello.providers project. Let's go to the shipping tab. First thing we need to do is edit our warehouse. Now, Marcello considers the warehouse to be the location from which the products will be shipped. By default, the warehouse address will populate the from address in a shipment, and depending on the shipping provider, may be used in the shipment rate quote calculations. Say that fast. So let's just edit this. I'm going to put a fake address in just for speed. And we'll use go, and we'll give that a save. Fantastic. Now we have no countries listed now at the moment, but we have this everywhere else. Everywhere else is kind of like a special country. The idea is that if you haven't set if you've only set one single country, so like United Kingdom, which we're going to do in a second, this allows for shipping configurations to be set for all countries that are not set. So if I set United Kingdom everywhere else, then I would set in here. So exactly the same way as I would do for adding a normal country. So what I want to do is add the United Kingdom, and you'll see once I've added this, it's exactly the same as everywhere else. There we go. So it's just kind of like a country. So once I've made United Kingdom, because that's where I want it to go, I'm actually going to delete everywhere else, because this store I don't want to deliver to anywhere else apart from the United Kingdom. Now let's add the provider. As I say, we know we've only got the fixed rate shipping provider available to us. If you created your own provider, that would be listed here. Let's give this one a name. We'll call it Air Freight, and we will vary by price. There we go. Once we've added that, now what we can do is come in and start editing our kind of rate table. So what we'll do, let's have, say, something, let's keep it really simple, 0 to 50, and then we'll have that as 10, and 51 to 100, 5, and then we'll say anything above will be nothing. So free shipping. So let's save that. There we go. And that is our shipping provider set up for United Kingdom. If I wanted to have a separate one, obviously for a different country, so United States, I would come in here and do the same. And I'll come down to United States, add that. As you can see, add a provider. We only have the one, as I said before, but you could here obviously have a different shipping provider for United States, USPS or whatever, and you would set everything up there. And obviously in the front end, when they select the country, when they go through the checkout, this would be the provider that was selected. I hope this is useful to someone. Thanks very much.